Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to Kondapochamma Sagar Reservoir near Markuk, which is located at 57.5 kilometers from our residence in Hyderabad. So this place, in this place, we family can have a relaxing time away from their busy life in the city. So let's start. We have started our journey from our apartment Mayflower Park to Kondapocha Sagar Reservoir. Along with me, my mother, my father, my uncle, my brother, and my grandmother are traveling in a Baleno car. It's around 10 a.m. now. Now we are crossing Ashok Nagar. Now we are crossing ECIL Crossroad. Let me give you a brief introduction about the project we are going to visit. Kondapochamma Sagar Reservoir is another milestone in the multi-age Kaleshwaram lift irrigation scheme. This is a component of the efforts Telangana government is to make the Godavari a live river all through the year. Over a stretch of 274 km, Kondapochamma Sagar Reservoir receives water from the Markuk Surge Pool, which in turn receives water from Akkaram Pump House. The 15.8 km Kondapochamma Sagar has a capacity of 15 TMC. This one was built at a cost of Rs 1668.55 crores and has a water spread area of 17.027 square kilometer. Its full reservoir level is 618 meter and is envisaged to provide irrigation to 2,85,280 acres of Ayakat through 13 canals. After passing through greenery village roads, now we are entering Hyderabad Karimnagar State Highway. The bridge above us is the Nehru Outer Ring Road. It's a beautiful highway. You'll definitely enjoy the driving. Now you you can see the walls of the dam from outside. Now you can see the canal from which the water is flowing out of the reservoir. Now we are climbing to the top of the reservoir. The scene is amazing. Now you can see the water stored in the reservoir till now. But this is not the full capacity of the water which can be stored in this reservoir. This is our family. A panoramic view of the reservoir. Now we are just circling around the reservoir. See the beautiful farms and small trees. It's amazing. You can see the canal. It's still under construction. Now you can see the inner walls of the reservoir and the outlet. The water has not yet reached the full capacity till now.
After having a good time, we are on the way back to our home. We really enjoyed the trip away from the busy city. Then we reached Outer Ring Road. We want to enjoy the greenery, so we stopped our vehicle here. We relaxed here for a few minutes. It's really a good place. near Noma Function Hall. Finally, we reached our apartment around 2 p.m. So we are back to our home. We enjoyed a lot and we recommend you everyone to visit Mundapochama Sagar. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.